Welcome to Phone Transformer. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to hide orders on Amazon Mobile, step by step, so you can keep your purchases private anytime you want. Now, let's get started. Step 1. First, take your phone and open the browser app you normally use, like Chrome or Safari. Make sure you are already logged into your account so the process goes smoothly without interruptions. Step 2. In the search bar, type Amazon.com, then tap Search. From the results, select the official Amazon website link at the top. This will make sure you are on the right page to begin. Step 3. Once the Amazon homepage is open, log into your account if you haven't already. Then, look for the 3 lines menu icon at the top corner of the screen and tap on it to open the full menu options. Step 4. From the menu list, find the option called Your Account near the top and tap on it. Next, scroll down a bit and select the Your Orders section under the See All option to open your full order history. Step 5. Before continuing, make sure to activate Desktop Site Mode. To do this, tap on the 3 dots in your browser menu, then select the Desktop Site option. If it is already active, you're good to go. This step is important because the archive feature only appears in desktop mode. Step 6. Once the desktop view loads, you'll see all your past orders listed. Make sure to choose the order placed in date, and then locate the specific order you want to hide, then find and tap on the Archive Order option. This will instantly hide the order from your main order history, but remember, it won't delete it completely. Thanks for watching and please subscribe to the channel.